The prepared electrodes move into the heart of battery cell production. A microscopic separator prevents internal short circuits. Hundreds of layers are assembled with extraordinary precision. Compression creates a stable structure for the battery cell. Laser welding creates critical electrical connections. Every connection is verified before assembly continues. The cell structure is now enclosed within its protective housing. Preparation ensures a reliable, airtight seal. Electrolyte enables the movement of energy within the cell. Vacuum treatment ensures complete electrolyte distribution. The battery cell is now physically complete. Leak testing confirms the integrity of every cell. Cells are organized for the next critical stage.
The cells are ready for their first controlled charge.
Formation activates the electrochemical processes inside each cell. Performance data reveals the quality of every battery cell. The battery cells are now active and ready for final transformation. Each cell now enters its final stage of transformation. A period of aging allows each cell to stabilize before final testing. Grading sorts each cell by its true performance characteristics. Matching cells by performance ensures consistency within every module. Individual cells are grouped into structured battery modules. Each cell finds its place within the module structure. Bus bars link the cells into a single powerful unit. The battery pack now receives the systems that monitor and protect it. The battery management system acts as the pack's central nervous system. Every electronic component is verified before installation. The intelligence of the battery is integrated directly into the pack. Thousands of electrical signals must travel reliably through the system.
Sensors provide continuous awareness of battery conditions.
Cooling networks help maintain stable operating temperatures.
Every connection must meet exact mechanical standards. The battery pack receives its final structural protection.
Protective sealing helps defend against harsh environments.
Integrity testing ensures long-term durability. Software gives the battery its operational intelligence. Every electronic system must communicate flawlessly. the battery begins proving itself under controlled conditions. Automation keeps production moving with remarkable efficiency. Every battery receives a complete manufacturing record. A digital network coordinates every step of production. Before leaving the factory, every battery must pass the highest standards of precision. Every finished battery pack undergoes a final dimensional inspection. Microscopic deviations are detected before shipment. Visual perfection reflects manufacturing precision. Mechanical reliability is confirmed one connection at a time. Every battery receives its permanent identity. Complete traceability follows every battery throughout its life. Protective finishes help defend against harsh environments. Every electrical interface must function flawlessly. Thermal systems are validated for demanding conditions. Hidden structures are examined with advanced inspection technologies. Before shipment, every battery receives a final presentation finish.
Transport protection helps preserve quality during delivery.
Every result becomes part of the battery's permanent record.
Thousands of inspections combine to ensure consistent quality.
The batteries now move toward comprehensive validation. The final challenge is proving performance under real-world conditions. Now the batteries must demonstrate their quality through rigorous testing. Every battery must prove its reliability under controlled extremes. Heat testing evaluates performance under demanding conditions.
Cold weather performance is equally important.
Repeated temperature changes reveal long-term durability. Cycle testing measures how batteries perform over time.
Detailed measurements reveal the health of every battery.
Mechanical durability is tested against constant vibration. Impact testing evaluates resilience against sudden forces. Thermal management systems must perform flawlessly.
The battery's intelligence is tested alongside its hardware.
Safety remains the highest priority throughout validation.
Electronic systems must operate without interference. Advanced imaging reveals structures hidden from view. Comprehensive data determines final approval. Successful validation clears the battery for shipment. After testing, the batteries begin their final journey.
Thousands of completed batteries await delivery. The final stage is preparing these batteries for customers around the world.
From raw minerals beneath the earth to the advanced batteries powering the future, this is how modern factories transform